In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Samsung discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Samsung discount promo codes. Select this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and right here we have some discount codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 5% off of my next order, all I have to do right here is select show coupon code, and this is a discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get this 5% off discount. Also, going back to our main search right here on Google, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, I should be able to find this website, which is Retail Me Not. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 5% of discount, all I have to do is select show code right here, and this is my discount code that I can copy right here and apply on my next purchase so that I can get this 5% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.